Today we're going to be doing a crash course in resin pouring, and the fine folks at JDiction sent one of their kits, their popular ResinCrete kit. That is good timing because the holidays are just around the bend and I want to cast up some handmade goodies. Now the kit that they sent is a popular one from their Amazon store and it includes all the goodies that you see here. But given my propensity for fish, I'm just going to substitute a fishing mold and make some ornaments. Now, while I'm mixing and pouring, let's go over some of the details on why this resin is a good idea. For one thing, it's eco-friendly. The folks at JDiction note that it's made of mineral extracts that, when mixed with water, harden and have zero VOCs, are odor-free, are BPA-free, are non-flammable, and food safe. Hell, they're basically a food group. Still don't recommend eating it. Pretty fast curing, which in this case is between 20 and 30 minutes, and the finish is silky smooth. Speaking of mixing, the ratio for this is 10:3, or in metric speak, it is 100 grams to 30 grams. And all you need to do is just add water. Now you can stretch the working time a few minutes from 8 minutes to 10 minutes if you add an extra 5 grams of water. Now, I'm not magically guessing the weights here. What you see is me relying on my old reliable digital scale to do the work for me. Now when stirring, be sure to really dig into the corners of the cup and free up that dry material. The slurry starts out pure white, but they do include some colors to go with it. The result is pretty dang cool. No bubbles, no flashing on the edges, just a nice, clean, neat, solid cast. Honestly, sounds a lot like hardened porcelain. Now the full cure is in 2 hours, and then I can go jump into painting and prepping this bad boy. So there you go. You can whip together a quick mold from your own carving, like I did with my little salmon smolt here, and make some pretty cool custom ornaments and inserts for things like net handles. So thank you JDiction for sending this little tester kit my way. Now it's time to bust out some more gifts.